Hi everyone. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you EdBest website with 10 free high-in-demand certification courses for remote jobs in 2024 and how much each of these jobs is actually estimated to pay. So from my last video, based on what we're discussing, I asked this question: should I do a video on free courses that teaches high-in-demand skill? And we were like, yes, do it, do it, do it. So that's why I had to film this video. That doesn't mean that the try series has come to an end. But I did not just want to talk about the free courses that teaches our in-demand skill. I had to look for the best platforms that has the best certification that is at least recognized in the job market. Even though certification is not really deciding factors when it comes to hiring, but then it can boost your portfolio. It can actually make you stand out. It can give you an advantage over other people out there. Let's get into the video. Our first website here is Skillshop with Google. Now from the name you can tell this is a platform that is owned by Google. Skillshop, there are a lot of free courses, but the one that teaches high demand skill that I'm going to talk about in this video is fundamental of digital marketing. Now with the internet becoming more accessible to people worldwide, I know it's even going to be more accessible in 2024 according to Linden. Businesses are presented with this unprecedented opportunity to actually reach more customers online. So if you have a digital marketing skill, you will always be in demand. Now let's look at what ReliableSoft has to say about the certification. Google certificates offer many benefits to students, and they are certainly worth the time and effort. According to a recent survey, 75% of Google Career Programs graduates got a job, promotion, or salary increase after completing their certificate. Now, how much does the digital marketer earn? According to Indeed.com, a digital marketer earns between $364 to $2,482 per month. So the second website here is the second free course that teaches our in-demand skill is Udacity.com is the platform. Then the course we're looking at is AI programming. Udacity is known for nano degree. It's a popular degree when it comes to the online jobs world, but then nano degree is insanely costly. But I'm going to show you how you can actually get it for free. So Better Manner has actually partnered with Udacity to help 50,000 people get a nano degree in any of these three courses. But then the one I'm going to talk about in this video, which teaches high demand skill, is AI programming. Now, AI programmers are people who make software that imitate human intelligence. Every single day, new AI platform, new AI apps are being launched. So if you have this particular skill, you will always be in demand. Now, for you to actually get this certificate, the registration for this scholarship is ongoing. I think the deadline is 30th of this month. You have to register for it. Let's see what Master Portal has to say about nano degree. So according to Master Portal, is a nano degree worth it? Short answer, yes. Long answer, it depends. Nano degrees certainly offer a lot of quality, and the fact that big tech company appreciate or offer this kind of courses is a great sign that it is valuable. So how much does an AI programmer earn? Okay, it is estimated that an AI programmer earns between $54,000 to $84,000 per year. That's according to Indeed.com. So let's head straight to website number 3 and free course number 3. Coursera.com. Coursera is a very popular online learning platform with a lot of courses. But before I continue, I want you to do something for me. The first thing is to like this video so it will get to more people. Of course, I'm motivated to make more videos when somebody like my video. Also, I want you to subscribe Like I said, I actually digress to talk about this because of the demand for it. I'm running what I call a try series, a series where I try the most talked about way of making money here on YouTube, and I come here and share my honest opinion and experience about that particular site also. So if you want to know what really worked and what is not working, go ahead and subscribe. Now I'm waiting for you to like and subscribe this video. Okay, if you've done that, head straight to the comment section and tell me I've subscribed. So I'll send you a special welcome hug that is meant for new subscribers. Thank you. Let's continue. The course I'm going to look at that teaches how in demand skill is actually the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. So this is a course that is being taught by Google professionals. If you click through the link to actually sign up for this program, you will see it's going to tell you to do a 7-day free trial, meaning after 7 days you may not be able to access the course again. And this is not something you can finish in 7 days. It's a 6-month course, and at completion you may need to pay some money to get the certificate. But don't worry, like I said, there is how you can actually get this certificate for free and also have access to this course that teaches our in-demand skill completely for free as well. So Coursera here offers financial aid. It's actually for people who cannot afford the course they want to do. So what you need to do is just go ahead and apply for this financial aid, and then once you're selected, you can do this course and get the certificate for free of charge. So let's see what LinkedIn has to say about the Google Data Analytics Professional Skill. Google Analytics certification is a valuable and sought-after credential for online professionals. This certification demonstrates an individual expertise in the field of web analytics, providing recognition for their knowledge and experience. Anybody with the skill of data analysis will always be in demand because more industries are looking into data to make more informed decisions every single day. And the good thing here is that you can work in any industry. So how much does a data analyst actually earn? According to Glassdoor, a data analyst earns between $342 to $800. This is at entry level. Now all of these salary may not really be accurate based on your locations and other factors put together. Let's look at website number 4 and free course number 4. FreeCodeCamp, and the high in demand skill we're looking at here is coding and programming skill. So if you look at FreeCodeCamp, it has a lot of courses that can help you get started with back-end development, front-end development, Android development, and many other things. But then, like I said, we're looking at coding and programming skills, which is back-end, front-end, and Android development. So it's completely free, and it comes with a certification when you complete these courses. Now let's look at how much a front-end developer earns every single month. So it is estimated that a front-end job at entry level pays $242 to $888 per month. Let's get into website number 5 and free course number 5. So website number 5 is linkedinlearning.com, a platform that's owned by LinkedIn. It has a lot of courses and it's not free, but it offers a 1-month free trial. So when you sign up and you are able to complete any of these courses within that time frame, like within that 1-month free trial, you will get a certification for it. Now, the course that teaches our in-demand skill that we are looking for is product management. In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, product managers are actually needed to drive innovations, bring new products into the market. So anybody with this skill will always be sought after. Now let's look at how much a product manager is estimated to earn every single month. So it's estimated according to Glassdoor that a product manager earns between $342 to $1,820 at entry level. That's per month, not actually in a year. Let's head straight to website number 6 and free course number 6. So the sixth website here is greatlearning.com. Now it has a lot of free courses and it also have premium courses as well. But then the free course that teaches our in-demand skill that we'll be looking at is cloud computing. So it is estimated that a cloud engineer at entry level earns between $200 to $800 per month. That's actually according to Glassdoor. Now let's look at what Career Karma has to say. Great Learning Certificate. So they are highly beneficial when you're pursuing a career or seeking employment. Employers worldwide recognize Great Learning Certificates of completion, costing less than completing a certificate program or degree in conventional learning institution. So, with the high in demand skill and this certification, you will be ready to get a job in 2024 and become financially free. So, let's head straight to website number 7 and free course number 7. Seven website here is still greatlearning.com. The high in demand skill we're looking at is UI UX. Great Learning has this free course on UI UX, and it may actually interest you to know that according to Career Foundry, UI designers crop up as one of the most sought after job title year after year. So it is something that is very, very high, and it is estimated that a UI designer earns between $144 to $1,000 in a month. Of course, this is at entry level. Now let's head straight to website number 8 and free course number 8. That here is allison.com, and the course we are actually looking at is cyber security. So with the internet becoming more widespread every single day, organizational data are at risk of being exploited. So anybody with this cybersecurity skill will always be sought after. Organization wants their data to be protected, and it is estimated, according to Glassdoor, that a cybersecurity engineer earns between $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Website number 9 and free course number 9. My website here is skillshare.com, and the high in demand skill we are looking at is video editing skill. So with the rise in content creation, there's a demand for video editors because most YouTube channels are trying to build a team, so they need a video editor to be part of their team. And even with the rise in short form content like YouTube Short, TikTok, Instagram Reel, Facebook Reel, most people want their long form content to be edited to short form content. So this skill is a hot cake right now if you have it and you know what you are doing. So why I decided to choose Skillshare over Udemy is that it offers 1 month free trial, and it has a lot of courses on the video editing. You can watch different courses on video editing, and then you'll be able to pick something from each course that you actually watch. Then if you successfully complete any of those courses within this 1 month free trial, you get this certification for free. And even though you're not able to complete it, which you should be able to complete it, the subscription is not something very high. I think it's just about $2 a month. The link to all of this website and most of these courses will be in my description box. So make sure you check it out so that you save yourself the stress. Let's get to the last website and the last free course, greatlearning.com. I've talked about Great Learning and I think number 6 or number 7. So the free course that teaches high demand skills we're looking at here is ChatGPT prompt and generative AI. I know you're like, is that course that I need to do? Is that something that is high in demand? I think this is a course everybody actually have to take because with the rise in AI tools and AI platform, if you don't know how to use those platforms, how to prompt properly, you're going to lose out. And knowing how to use those AI tools properly can increase your productivity as a business person, as a career person. That's why I said it's something everybody needs to know. And Great Learning actually issued out a certificate at the end of the day, which if you add it to your portfolio, it can actually make you stand out. But aside from the certificate, it is a relevant skill in this particular time that we are living. So make sure you check out this course. I myself actually started taking this course, so I've not finished it, not for anything, but just to have more knowledge about all of these tools and know how to utilize it for my own personal growth and productivity. Thank you very much for watching. That's the end of today's video. Please don't forget to drop any comments or any observation that you have in the comment section below. So those of you who demanded this video, if this video was actually helpful to you, please let me know in the comment section. Make sure you like it, you share it, and you also subscribe. See you in my next video.